Hi, my name is Patrícia, and this is our work for Compreensão e Produção Oral em Língua Inglesa Assim. This job was developed for me and my partner, Fabiana Navas, who can't come to present it. Our lesson was based on the task-based approach and is directed to kids of 10 to 12 years old of public school and who has the beginner skill levels, and we plan that this lesson to have a duration of 50 minutes. Our objective to this lesson is to develop the writing and the speaking skills of the students and the ability to work in groups. For that, we have chosen the rainbow as a theme and the colors to develop these skills. To start the class, we are going to discuss about the topic, the rainbow, and to introduce the theme, and to let the student start thinking about the topic. After that, we are going to watch a video with a rainbow song, and together the students are going to try to follow the song with the help of lyric. After that, we are going to separate the class in groups of 5 or 6 students and give them 2 exercises. The exercise 1 are going to be a text with words about the subject they had studied, the rainbow, and it will have a few words, and they will have to search their meaning, and they can use the dictionary too. The second exercise are going to be about colors. We are going to give to each group a kit of ink, and they will have to mix these colors, the primary colors, to have a new look. Then we are going to ask them about the results and the colors that they got when they mixed the 2 colors. After that, we are going to choose between the groups the favorite colors of each group and elect the favorite color of the class. As evaluation, we are going to analyze the participation of each student in the class and their ability in working groups. And with this class, we hope that the students can bring this knowledge to their real life. For example, we want to ask them which color are your favorite, and they are able to answer this kind of question. This is our work, and we thank you for your attention. Acho que só